I'm going to make the refrigerator for this little kitchen, and I made a block that has the same width or thickness as the kitchen table. It has the height of the kitchen table without the top plate, without the countertop, and it is a tiny bit smaller in the length than the kitchen table is. I'm using some Bake and Bond on here because I baked this first. That is going to make the next part a bit easier. And then I rolled out a piece of white clay in a setting 7 on my pasta machine, and I'm going to put a sheet of that on top of my fridge here. Then I'm using my blade here, and I am going to define the sides here on the little fridge so that you can see that it is doors for it. When I've done that, I am going to place it and figure out where I want the cabin's doors to be, the ones for the fridge and one for the freezer. So I'm just making a cut into the clay, and I'm going all down to the hard clay, so it makes it a bit easier that it's hard. Then I rolled out a piece of gold clay in a very, very thin snake, and I'm just cutting off 2 small pieces for the handles and placing them on my tiny fridge where I like them to go. Now you just bake your creation, and then you can glaze it to give it a shine, and that's all there is to it. So happy crafting!